Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever wanted to remove audio from video to use it for a project, today's tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to remove audio from video using the InShot app. It's super quick and simple, so let's jump right in. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Next, choose the video you want to extract audio from. Just browse your gallery, select the video, and it will open in the editing workspace, just like this. Once your video is open, look at the toolbar at the bottom. Tap on the music button. It's the icon that looks like a music note. Now to remove the audio, you will need to tap on the video itself, just like this. And here you can find the option of extract audio. Simply tap on it. Once the audio is extracted, it will appear in the timeline under your video just like this. Now you can adjust the audio just like you do to other musics. Once you are happy with the audio, you can save it. And that's it. You have successfully removed the audio from video using the InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.